Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration. Harmonizing home spaces, Japanese-inspired kitchens, and the power of natural elements. In the realm of interior design, the kitchen serves as the heart of a home, where culinary artistry meets functionality and aesthetics. Embracing the essence of Japanese design principles in contemporary kitchen spaces has ushered in a harmonious fusion of tranquility, efficiency, and elegant simplicity. Embracing Japanese design philosophy. Japanese design is renowned for its emphasis on minimalism, balance, and connection with nature. When integrated into contemporary kitchen designs, these principles create a serene culinary environment that fosters both practicality and beauty. Simplicity redefined for form and function. Japanese-inspired kitchen designs have captivated homeowners and designers alike with their emphasis on simplicity, seamlessly blending form and function. The core principles of decluttering and streamlining within these spaces transcend mere aesthetics, delivering a harmonious environment that optimizes usability and visual appeal. The essence of decluttered spaces. In the realm of Japanese-inspired kitchens, the pursuit of simplicity reigns supreme. This design ethos revolves around clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, creating an atmosphere of tranquility in visual spaciousness. These kitchens are characterized by their minimalist approach, where every element serves a purpose and unnecessary adornments are eschewed. Streamlined elegance in design. Clean lines and unadorned surfaces are fundamental to the design language of Japanese-inspired kitchens. Cabinets and counters, meticulously crafted, prioritize functionality without compromising on aesthetics. They not only serve as storage solutions but also contribute to the overall ambience, maintaining an unassuming yet sophisticated appearance. Efficient storage solutions. The hallmark of these kitchens lies in their efficient storage solutions. Cabinets and counters are ingeniously designed to optimize space utilization. Essential tools and utensils are strategically placed for easy access, promoting convenience in cooking endeavors. By blending functionality with elegance, these storage solutions seamlessly integrate into the kitchen's aesthetic, enhancing both practicality and visual appeal. 4. Harmony between form and function. The marriage of form and function is pivotal in Japanese-inspired kitchens. The design philosophy aims to strike a delicate balance between visual aesthetics and practicality. Each element, from countertops to storage units, is thoughtfully arranged to ensure ease of use while contributing to the kitchen's overall ambience. Harmonizing Japanese-inspired kitchens and the natural elements. In the realm of modern interior design, Japanese-inspired kitchens stand out for their seamless integration of natural elements, offering a serene haven that marries tradition with contemporary innovation. Embracing the beauty of wood, stone, and bamboo, these kitchens evoke a tranquil ambience that captivates both the eye and the soul. Embracing nature's touch. Japanese-inspired kitchens are a testament to the profound influence of natural elements. Wood, revered for its warmth and versatility, often graces countertops and cabinetry, instilling a sense of organic beauty. Stone surfaces exude timeless elegance while adding durability, and bamboo elements introduce a touch of grace and sustainability. Creating tranquil spaces. From the moment one steps into these kitchens, a serene atmosphere envelopes the senses. The careful curation of materials imbues a calming aura, transforming the culinary space into a sanctuary that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. This amalgamation of materials isn't merely aesthetic, it's a deliberate embrace of nature's inherent ability to soothe and inspire. The art of integration. The magic of Japanese-inspired kitchens lies in their seamless blend of natural elements with modern fixtures and appliances. This fusion isn't just about juxtaposition, it's a harmonious marriage that bridges the gap between tradition and innovation. Cutting-edge technology and sleek designs coexist harmoniously with rustic textures and earthy tones. 4. Sustainability and harmony. Beyond their visual allure, the use of natural elements in these kitchens also champions sustainability. Bamboo, renowned for its rapid growth and eco-friendliness, embodies a commitment to responsible design. The integration of these materials echoes a deeper connection with the environment, promoting a more sustainable way of living. Mindful design in Japanese-inspired kitchens. In the realm of kitchen design, Japanese-inspired spaces have emerged as beacons of mindful culinary creativity. These kitchens are thoughtfully crafted to not just meet functional needs but to elevate the cooking experience itself through purposeful layouts and meticulous planning. Mindfulness in culinary spaces. Japanese design philosophy emphasizes mindfulness, and this extends seamlessly into the kitchen. Purposeful layouts are tailored to encourage a natural flow of movement, allowing chefs to navigate the space effortlessly while preparing meals. Every aspect, from the arrangement of workstations to the placement of appliances, is meticulously planned to enhance efficiency without compromising on the experience. Natural flow for effortless cooking. The layout of a Japanese-inspired kitchen is akin to a carefully choreographed dance. It facilitates a fluid movement pattern, ensuring that every utensil, ingredient, and tool is within easy reach. This thoughtful arrangement minimizes unnecessary steps and interruptions, fostering a seamless cooking process. Efficiency without sacrificing mindfulness. Efficiency is a key pillar of Japanese kitchen design. However, what sets it apart is its ability to maintain a mindful cooking environment while optimizing for productivity. Workstations are strategically positioned to enable multitasking without causing clutter or chaos, fostering a serene ambience conducive to concentration and creativity. 4. Meticulous planning for culinary harmony. The meticulous planning behind Japanese-inspired kitchens extends beyond mere functionality. It aims to create a harmonious balance between form and function. Appliances are integrated seamlessly into the design, ensuring they complement rather than dominate the space. This harmony allows chefs to focus on the art of cooking, undisturbed by unnecessary distractions. Integration of Zen aesthetics. The concept of Zen is deeply embedded in Japanese culture and design. In kitchen spaces, this translates to an emphasis on tranquility and simplicity. Incorporating elements like shoji screens, sliding doors, or a small Japanese garden adjacent to the kitchen can evoke a sense of Zen, promoting relaxation even in the midst of culinary activities. Conclusion. The fusion of Japanese design principles with contemporary kitchen spaces offers more than just a visually appealing environment. It provides a serene, functional, and mindful setting that enhances the culinary experience. By integrating elements of nature, simplicity, and efficiency, Japanese-inspired kitchens invite a sense of calm and harmony into the heart of the home, elevating the act of cooking into an art form in itself.